Thank you for choosing Chantel Ray Real Estate, #1 in marketing your home. We use our expertise, energy, and experience to get your house sold. Remember, if it has to sell, call Chantel and ask for Michelle. Nobody will market your home better than Chantel Ray Real Estate. Some different ways we'll advertise your home. We'll upload your property to the multiple listing service computer network, exposing it to over thousands of real estate agents throughout your local area. A virtual tour of your home will be featured on our website, chantelray.com. We use extreme internet marketing at Chantel Ray. We found that 97% of all buyers search for their home online, so we advertise on all top sites and add more regularly. We spend extra to have our listings be part of the featured listings programs on the 3 major websites, Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com website and apps. We also spend extra money to boost virtual tours of your property on social media sites like Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Please make sure to like our Facebook page, then like, comment, and share your property post. As you can see in picture number 1, there were 37 likes, 11 shares, and there was 22,696 people reached. On this picture below, there were 32 likes and 1 share, and there were only 4,390 people reached. Both were boosted for the same amount of money, but because of the shares, the one on top got the most exposure. The more likes and shares and activity a listing gets, the more Facebook promotes it. We also advertise on multiple media outlets to drive listeners to our websites, TV and radio. We hit over 90% of homes in your community with our local marketing. Do you see how our extreme marketing can get your home sold faster and for top dollar? Now, as for the signs, how are the post signs handled? Immediately we'll post a temporary sign upon the listing being taken. 7 to 10 days later, after Miss Utility checks for underground utilities, you'll receive your post sign. For maximum drive-by exposure, we use mobile brochures. When people drive by your house, they can use their smartphone to text 32323 to get all the information on your house without ever leaving the comfort of their vehicle. They can also view all the information by downloading our app for smartphones and tablets. We don't list the price for a reason. If you get the milk for free, you're not going to buy the cow. It also helps us to capture the prospective buyer's information so that we can follow up with them and make sure that they're being taken care of and they get to see the property. So we have immediate response with our inside sales team. These inside sales agents, when someone wants to show or see your home, they will get a live agent to answer their calls 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday from 8 to 9 p.m. Not one is missed. You could give it a try. Just give 717-1003 a call and see what happens. It's a great day at Chantel Ray is what you'll hear. Now, the cost of overpricing. We could fly a plane over your house for $5,000 a day, but unless it's priced correctly, it will not sell. That's why I work so hard on your market analysis. You'll lose the excitement that a new listing generates. You'll lose the most qualified applicants. It'll make your competition look better. Your home may become stale on the market, and you lose a strong negotiating position. People think there's something wrong because your property's on the market so long. And if you do get an offer for that amount you're asking for that's way above market value, you may lose the deal because the house may not appraise for that value. So no amount of marketing can sell an overpriced property. So how does this work? Some people say, well, another agent said it was worth more. People always offer less than the asking price. It's not true. The buyer can always make an offer. Most buyers that I've taken around won't make an offer when it's overpriced. They think that the seller may be unreasonable, and first and foremost, they don't want to offend them. Or people say, my neighbor was able to get his price. Well, was his house exactly like yours? Which is a little different. Although some of these comments may be true, they're not valid when deciding on the right price. So here's how it works. We have, let's say, 8 to 10 showings with no offers, or 2 weeks and no showings, we start to reduce the price. It's something that we found a common thread through the whole entire process. What to do when your home is shown. Okay, when your home is shown, whenever possible, please be away from your home when a showing is scheduled. Storage is something that every buyer is looking for, can never have enough of. Take half of the stuff out of your closets and organize the rest. We love pets. However, it's best to remove them and all evidence of pets when you're having a showing. Like Motel 6 says, we'll leave the light on for you. Keep the lights on when you leave for a showing. How do you make your house show ready? You can use a professional stager. We can give you access to those. We have a pre-selling consultation for $150. They can walk through your home along with a recorded report of what you should rearrange and why. Or for $300, you have a 7-hour day of redesign, 7 hours of focused rearranging and redesign of your current furnishings and decor. The thought process here is, if you were getting ready to sell your car, you would pay $100 to get it detailed and washed. Really? Well, why wouldn't you do this for your home? Of course, unless it's empty. And even then, some people have stagers. Allow the property to be shown with or without an appointment, just as long as the prospective buyer's agent is present. Make sure that agents use the lockbox. I love this lockbox. It records every person that comes in or out of the property, what time, what day, and it sends out a feedback report to the agent. So the only person that can get in is an actual agent, and agents only take qualified buyers around, which is a plus. Showing notices. When an agent wants to show your house, we use a service that will contact you to set up the showing. It's called showing time. There are 4 ways you can choose to confirm the showing. You can do it by phone, by text, via email, via a mobile app, or on your smartphone. As you can see, or can you see, actually I can you see how this combination of marketing and systems is going to allow us to sell our homes faster and for top dollar? You have outside sales, which is me. I'm out working it, sharing it with all of my contacts. We have our inside sales that are receiving all the phone calls that are coming with interest for your property, and none of them are being missed. We have the closing department. We also have administration department, and then we have our extreme marketing. Remember, if it has to sell, call Chantel and ask for Michelle. Thank you. I'm looking forward to helping you sell your house.